Hey, how's it going, guys? Stevie at the IONIQ. So today we're doing a product test for EV adapter. This one is a EV adapter in case you want to go to a Tesla destination charger just as this one. Just a quick disclaimer here, guys. So this product was given to me by the company. The name of the company is NIvion. And then if you have more questions, you can let me know. And then, yeah, make sure to check them out. So let's get back to this. So as I was saying, right, and this product was given to me for me to test it, and then I will give my honest opinion and I will walk you through it. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is unplug this, and after you do that, you plug it here and you have to wait for about 30 seconds. So 1, 2, let's wait 30 seconds. That's probably about 30 seconds, and then let's plug it in, see what happens. So after you plug it in, so let's go see in the car, see how things goes.
Charging unsuccessful.
Oh, it does the same thing as the other charger. So when it does that, you turn it on. In order to trigger the charge. So now it's charging. I know for some of this adapter for IONIQ 5, you gotta do a workaround. But yeah, that's pretty normal for IONIQ 5. So yeah, it is working, and I got 9.8 kilowatt. Yeah, that's pretty good. Thanks for watching.
Charging started.